Good morning, students. Welcome you all to Science Online class. Children, today we are going to study about human skeletal system. In our last video, we already discussed little about our skeletal system. Okay, so let's continue with skeletal system. In our skeleton, there are 206 bones present. Okay, and how many bones are present in our skeletal system? There are 206 bone, total 206 bone present in our skeletal system. Okay, now uh, some skeletal part of our skeletal system we can discuss here. Okay, so first part is skull, and you can see in the picture this is the skull. Skull is the heaviest part of our body. Okay, and it has two main parts. Okay, first part is cranium. This part is called cranium. Okay, it is the large hollow structure, and this cranium is made up of 8 flat bone. 8 flat bone which are joined together, and this cranium protect the brain in its cavity. Okay, means inside the cranium brain is protected there. Brain. Okay, now children, it forms helmet like structure. See, this is cranium, no? So it is form a helmet. You know helmet? Helmet like structure. Cranium form helmet like protection for our brain, and in this cranial cavity our brain is protected. The bone of the craniums are flat and firmly joined together. Okay, and another part of the skull is facial bones. See here, these are the facial bones. This is the lower part of the skull, front and lower part. There are 14 bones present in our facial bone. Okay, and these facial bones consist of upper jaw, okay, lower jaw, and other bones like eye socket, etc. Okay, children, our teeth are fixed in upper jaw and lower jaw. In both the jaws, our teeth are fixed there. Okay, and one point you have to notice here, children. There is a only movable bone present in our skull is lower jaw. This lower jaw is only a bone which is movable in our skull. Okay, and it help this lower jaw which is movable. It help us to chew, eat, and talk. Okay, and eye socket is there. See, these are the eye socket, and inside the eye socket our eyes, delicate eyes protect. This eye socket protect our delicate eyes. Okay, means inside our eye socket our eyes are fixed there, and eyes are protected by this eye socket. Okay, that's all about skull. Now another part of the skeletal system is vertebral column, or we call backbone. Vertebral column, and another name of the vertebral column is backbone. Children, vertebral column or backbone is a long, bony, rod-like structure. You can see in the picture, which extend from the base of the skull. See here, skull which is extend means it initiate from the skull to the pelvic region. Okay, children, our backbone, see here, our backbone is initiate from the skull, extend from the skull, base of the skull to the pelvic region or hips region. Okay, it is form of 33 small ring like vertebrae, means our vertebral column is made up of 33 small ring like vertebrae, and these vertebrae are arranged one on the top of other. Okay, and the backbone or vertebral column is divided into 5 regions. I'll show here these 5 regions. This is the neck region. First is neck region. Second is chest region, chest one, abdomen, hip, and last one small tail. Okay, in this way our backbone is divided into 5 regions. Okay, and these 5 regions are neck, chest, abdomen, hip, and tail. Okay, the vertebrae of the hip, see last vertebrae of hip are 5 in number, 5 vertebrae which is made the hip area. Okay, and are fused together. The tail has also have 4 vertebrae. This small tail is there which have 4 vertebrae, and these 4 vertebrae also fused together. Okay, now there are 24 vertebrae are joined together by the sponge like cartilage. 24 vertebrae, upper 24 vertebrae joined together by the sponge like cartilage. Okay, and each vertebrae has a hole in the center, means it means our vertebral column is hollow structure, hollow inside, and all the vertebrae are arranged like the beads in necklace. Have you seen necklace? So just like that necklace, our vertebral column is arranged like the beads in necklace, and with the central hole that together form a hollow tube, means inside our backbone hollow tube is there. Okay, and through this hollow tube passes the main nerve cord, or it is called spinal cord, means inside the bone marrow the spinal inside our backbone spinal cord is present there. Okay, means our backbone protect our spinal cord. Spinal cord is very delicate structure. Spinal cord is the part of nervous system. Okay, and this backbone protect our spinal cord. The joints in the vertebrae, means there are the joints, means each vertebrae joined together with the help of one joints, and because of this joint vertebrae allow the slight movement of vertebral column. Okay, and because of this movement we can bend and twist or turn back, means these joints help us to bend, twist or turn the back. Okay, now what are the function of vertebral column or function of the backbone? Our backbone help us to stand erect. Okay, and maintain our upright posture. Children, because of our backbone we can stand erect. Okay, and it maintains our upright posture. Backbone is also protects the delicate spinal cord. Okay, and it helps us to move our neck. Okay, because our skull is present on the first vertebrae of backbone. and it helps us to move our neck. Now I hope you understood. Now move to the next part of our skeletal system, chest bone. Chest bone, it is also called rib cage. In Hindi we can call it छाती. Rib cage is called छाती का पिंजड़ा. Okay, because it is looking like a cage. See children, a flat elongated dagger shaped bone which is present in the center of the chest cavity. It is called breastbone or sternum. Okay, the small dagger, flat elongated dagger like shape, dagger shaped bone which is present in the middle of the chest cavity, and this bone is called sternum or breastbone, and it is located in the center of our chest cavity. Okay, chest region. The sternum and ribs together form rib cage. You can see this sternum and these ribs. Rib cage together form rib cage. Okay. The chest bone include 12 pair of semicircular bones. The semicircular bones are called ribs. 12 pair of ribs. Okay, means total 24 ribs are present in our rib cage. Children, what is ribs? The semicircular bones which are present, these are called ribs. Okay, and there are 12 pair of such semicircular ribs, and these protect our heart and lungs. Inside the rib cage, which organ is protected there? Heart and lungs is protected inside our rib cage, and these bones are called ribs. Semicircular rings are called ribs, and rib cage also protect the stomach and kidney. Okay, one fact file is here, children. The first vertebra of the vertebral column supports the skull on it. You can see in the picture, children, here the first vertebrae. This is the first vertebrae. It is called atlas. Okay, and first vertebrae, it is called atlas, and on atlas our skull is present there, and atlas only the bone which gives the support to the skull. The head can nod. Nod means it can move forward and backward, means our head move forward and backward on the atlas. Okay, so that the atlas is also called yes bone. Okay, now question will become like which bone of the vertebral column is called yes bone? Which bone is called yes bone? The first vertebrae of the vertebral column, means atlas, is called yes bone. Okay, atlas was a okay. Who was the atlas? Actually, first vertebrae of the vertebral column is called atlas. No, this name is come from one person. That one Atlas was a giant Greek mythology. Okay, I'll tell you here who was Atlas. Children, in Greek mythology, here Greek mythology means what? Just like in our India, we following the Hindu mythology, no? Just like that in Greece, Greek mythology, people following their Greek mythology. Okay, so Greek mythology में Zeus एक किंग ऑफ द गॉड थे. ओके, ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी में जो ज्यूस थे किंग ऑफ द गॉड थे और एटलस नाम का एक बहुत बड़ा जॉइंट था, दानव, जिसको अपन दानव कहते हैं। एटलस जो था एक बहुत बड़ा दानव था और उनके साथी टाइटन्स थे। मतलब एटलस के जो साथी थे टाइटन्स, एटलस ने ये टाइटन्स के साथ मिलकर ज्यूस के खिलाफ बहुत बड़ा विद्रोह किया था। ओके, तो इसीलिए किंग ऑफ द गॉड ने माने ज्यूस ने एटलस को पनिशमेंट दी थी कि एटलस को अपने शोल्जर पर पूरे संसार को ढोना है। मीन्स एटलस को अपने शोल्डर पे माने कंधों पे पूरे वर्ल्ड को कैरी करना है। ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक दैट इसीलिए हमारे बैकबोन में भी, इन अवर बैकबोन फर्स्ट वर्टिब्री कैरी द स्कल ऑन इट, सो दैट फर्स्ट वर्टिब्री को भी एटलस का नाम दिया गया है, क्योंकि हमारी फर्स्ट वर्टिब्री, वर्टिब्रल कॉलम का जो फर्स्ट वर्टिब्री किसको कैरी करता है, स्कल को कैरी करता है, इसीलिए फर्स्ट वर्टिब्री को एटलस का नाम दिया गया है। माने कि द फर्स्ट वर्टिब्री ऑफ आवर वर्टिब्रल कॉलम इज कॉल्ड एटलस। ओके, I hope you understood this story. Another fact is, some individuals are born with extra rib pair, gorilla rib, that is called gorilla rib. Okay, it is also it is so called because it is normally present in gorilla. Okay, children, total ribs which are present in our back rib cage are 12 pairs. Okay, how many pairs of the ribs are present in our rib cage? There are total 12 pair of ribs present in our rib cage. Okay, but in some animals extra ribs is present, just like gorilla. In gorilla also one extra rib is present. Okay, so that it is also some animals which have extra rib is called gorilla. एक्स्ट्रा रिब को ही गोरिल्ला रिब कहा गया है। ओके ओके, टुडे वी कंप्लीटेड अवर वर्टिब्रल कॉलम, बैकबोन एंड चेस्ट बोन. Okay, that's all for today, children. In our next video we will study about the shoulder girdles and hip girdles, means these are the joints. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day.